the fact that we were Jewish was always there. I mean, you couldn't, I mean, I couldn't deny ever being Jewish. Fortunately or unfortunately, my father spent his whole life trying to deny it. You know, I mean, he would always tell me whenever, you know, I would meet any of his friends, don't tell him, don't do that. And I couldn't do that. You know, it's like, I am who I am. If you don't like it, then that's your problem, not mine. The fact that we were Jewish was always there. It just, you know, it permeated the air. Not, you know, I mean, it wasn't in a bad way. It was just, you were Jewish. To me, there's nothing about me that's not Jewish. You know, I live my life as a Jew. I'm a Jew. There's, you know, I find it remarkable that people feel like they have to belong to a temple in order to associate themselves as being a Jew. It's like, why? You know, and in that respect, I agreed with Christ. You know, the temple is nothing. It's what you are outside and who you are and what you present to the world and what you present to mankind. This is what makes you.